Hi friends and families! I wanted to go over one of the problems from tonight's homework. The lesson is Lesson 4, Module 2. Let's get started. So the problem says 6 plus 9 equals blank. So we have to find out what goes in that blank. I have a way to make it a little bit easier for you by making 10. In our classroom, we've been working on making 10 a lot. We've been doing it with sprints, number bonds, and 10 frames. So I'm going to show you all that right now. The first thing we need to do is we need to look at the problem itself. What's going to be easier to make 10? 9, right. So let's give 6 a number bond. Okay? And you already told me that it's easier to make 9 turn into 10. So what could we give 9 to make it turn into 10? What could we borrow from number 6? Right, 1. Because 9 and 1 more make 10. So I'm going to put a 1 right here. I like to circle it and put a 10 at the top. So I know that I made 10. 9 and 1 made 10. Now, I have to think about the 6. I had 6, and I gave 1 from 6 to my friend 9. So I had 6. I gave 1 to 9. What do I have left? 5. You got it! So I'm going to put 5 in the other number bond. And if I think about it, 5 and 1 make 6. It all makes so much sense. So when you think about this problem now, all you have to do is think 10, 5. 10, 5 is... I'm not going to tell you to the end. You probably know it already, though. All right, now we move on to the drawing. We're going to do the answer in just a second. Let's move on to this drawing here. So we said that 9 was easier to make 10. So our box always, always, always needs to have 10 in it. Always. It's really important. So we have to do 9. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, that doesn't have 10 in it yet, does it? No. But remember what we borrowed from? We borrowed from the 6. How many did we borrow from the 6? Just 1. That's right. So when I go to make my 6 drawing, I'm going to put one of them in here, and I'm going to make them dark. So I remember that, oh, that dark one was from my 6. But remember what we found out. When we took 1 from 6, it still left us with how many? 5. You're right. But we're not going to put 5 in the box with 9 because we already have our 10. But we don't want to mix that up. So we're going to put 5 out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5, 6. So there was our 6. 9 plus 6. Okay? So now I have to think. I have 10 in my box, and how many left over? 10 in my box. How many is left over? Very good. We have 5 left over. 10, 5. Just like up here. 10, 5. And what is 10, 5? 15. And if you don't really get how to count 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5 yet, that's okay. You could put 10 in your brain and count on 5 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, I got the same answer by doing 2 different things. That's math for you. So I'm going to put 15 here. Now for my number sentence. I had 10 in the box. They already wrote it for us. Awesome. Plus how many more were outside of the box? 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So now, lucky you, you only have 1 problem left to do tonight. You lucky ducks. I hope you have fun doing it. If you need to watch this video again, that's cool. You get to see me twice. All right, see you in the morning. Mwah!